Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here, and I came out here on an early morning this Monday so that I could catch a little bit better weather. I got this whole week off. It's my birthday, and so I brought out my FMS P-47. I love this airplane, and I'm just excited to get it up in the air. We're under 10-mile-an-hour winds. With some gusts occasionally, but it's not too bad right this minute. So let's get this thing up in the air. All right, guys, the wind that is coming out of the west there, so we're gonna take off into the wind. We got the sun kind of up here in the east, and I think we'll be all right. I got my sunglasses on. Let's go one click of flaps for the takeoff. But I'm thinking that I'll probably go no flaps for the landing. I do have it in low rates, and this airplane has the Spectrum AR620 receiver, which is just a receiver. There's no gyros, no assistance at all, and it should work out all right. We've flown it with this several times. Let's get this thing in the air. So it started turning right on me, so I punched it. We bring it back around, we'll get those flaps turned off. There we go, flaps going off, wheels going up, hopefully. Nice and slow. Let's bring it around here. She's looking smooth today. Now I am flying a direction that I'm not 100% used to, so I do have to remember that lamppost is back there. Flying about half throttle right now, guys. As you can see, it handles it pretty good. Got it back here behind me just a little bit. It's okay because I'm the only one here, and I gotta remember not to get too deep in this pattern. The road is out there. I am flying over the grass, of course, but if I swing out there a little too far, I do get over the road, and it's not a huge deal because there's not a lot of traffic on that road, but I think it's not preferred. I mean, you don't usually want to get over the roads. In fact, there might be a law or rule against it. I'm not exactly sure. You know, I am just having fun with RC, and I'm not an expert at laws, rules, and piloting, but just trying to share my experience with you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy these flights. Like I said, you might be able to hear it. There is a little breeze going on. The gusts are probably in the 10 to 15 mile an hour range, and the sustained somewhere around I would say probably in the 7 or 8 mile an hour range. It's not too bad. I'm pretty happy to be out here early in the morning. You know, if I didn't have my normal 9 to 5 job, I would probably fly in the mornings a lot more. Oh, up in the sun. I saved that pretty good though. See it wandering around in that wind just a little bit. This airplane has been glued back together, so it doesn't fly perfect, but it flies pretty decent. I'm pretty happy with it, and especially when I can get a nice straight pass in. Let's get a full throttle pass in here. She's tracking pretty true and full throttle here. My timer just went off, so this next pass we'll do a gear check. Takes a little while to come down, so I'll slow down to let this come down. Looks pretty good, so let's bring it around. It didn't like that getting too slow there. All right, line it up with the runway here. Oh, punch it, we'll bring it around. Got a little too slow. Gotta remember, keep that throttle just. All right, over my head. I'll take it around one more time. That wind keeps changing directions on me. Just a little bit, just enough to throw me off. It doesn't help that the sun's on this end, of course. All right, we're going long, but it looks good. Giving a lot of right rudder there. Let's see if I can get it to turn around. It's not looking good. It looks too far back there to turn around. We're definitely in the grass. Oh, heard the prop. So I'm not going to make it back up onto the pavement, but she's down on the ground safely. And let's go check her out. So as you can see, if I would have turned left, I probably had a chance to get it turned around. But it's safe, it's ready to go again, and that's what really matters. I appreciate all your guys' support, and hopefully you guys are loving this content. I just love being out here and flying RC. If you haven't done it yet, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, set it for all, give me that big thumbs up, and leave some great comments. And big thanks to the Lord, man. What a beautiful day to start off my birthday week. And I'm expecting, or I'm hoping for some good weather to get out and fly some jets this week. I think it's supposed to be pretty nasty tomorrow, so we'll see if I might try to get out here and fly again today, so I have another video for you guys tomorrow. But there might not be flights tomorrow, but we'll see what happens. And yeah, just happy to be out here, guys. Until next time, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.